This is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Friday, March 26, 2021. Looking at precipitation over the past 7 and 30 days, you can see looking back 30 days, which is the map on the right, precipitation has been below average across pretty much the entire Great Basin with the exception of some higher elevation areas of central Utah and eastern Nevada. However, if you look at the map on the left, that is showing the past 7 days, and some recent storms have really helped across the northern part of the Great Basin, bringing precipitation over the past week well above normal. There's been quite a bit of snow across the area over the past 72 hours. You can see much of the higher elevations of Idaho, Nevada, Utah, and Wyoming have seen snowfall, with some areas seeing up to a foot or a foot and a half of snow in the past 72 hours. Snow depth is still largely confined to the higher elevations, so you can see there is some light snow cover at the lower elevations of southern Idaho. The satellite this morning shows a weather disturbance moving through the Great Basin. That will bring unsettled weather to much of the area today. As you can see from the upper level pattern on the left, we do have that low pressure system moving through the area. And with that system in place, mixing will be good to excellent across the entire area today. Transport winds will be pretty strong across much of Utah, Nevada, and Idaho. And we do have good mixing heights, and that is leading to the excellent mixing across the area. As we move into Saturday, we'll begin to see high pressure building in across the western part of the Great Basin. That will lead to a decrease in the ventilation indices across Nevada. You can see the transport winds will be much lighter on Saturday, with those mixing heights decreasing across the west. As we move into Sunday, that trend continues with high pressure building over the area. Ventilation indices will decrease across Utah, but we could see some improvement across portions of Nevada. That is due to some increasing transport winds ahead of a system that's expected to move into the area next week. Taking a look at the Utah Forecast Clearing Index, you can see that today will be the day with the best clearing indices across the state, with those trending downwards into Sunday. Over the next 3 days, we will see precipitation across portions of central, eastern, and southern Utah, and the portions of the Arizona Strip as well as that system departs. As we move into Monday, another weather system drops through the northern part of the Great Basin. The entire area will see good to excellent mixing on Monday with that storm system moving through. That good mixing continues on Tuesday with the cold northwesterly flow that will be in place across much of the area. And starting on Wednesday, as high pressure begins to build back into the area, those ventilation indices will start a downward trend. As you can see on Thursday, those ventilation indices continue to deteriorate across much of the area. In the 4 to 5 day period, not much precipitation is expected. Looking further out in the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for generally above normal temperatures and below normal precipitation. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.